expansion during the Punic Wars, 264 BCE to 146 BCE. During Rome's second period of expansion, it fought three savage wars for control of the Mediterranean region. In each of these brutal wars, Rome's enemy was Carthage, a powerful city-state in North Africa. When the wars began, Carthage held North Africa, most of Spain, and part of the island of Sicily. It also controlled most of the trade in the western Mediterranean. The Greek cities in southern Italy had frequently clashed with Carthage over trading rights. When Rome conquered these cities, it was drawn into the fight with Carthage. Rome's wars with Carthage are referred to as the Punic Wars, after the Latin name for the people of Carthage. The First Punic War began in 264 BCE and was fought mostly at sea. Carthage had a very powerful navy, but the Romans developed their own navy by copying and improving on the Carthaginian ship designs. A decisive victory at sea in 241 BCE won the war for the Romans. The triumphant Romans took over Sicily, as well as other islands in the area. The Second Punic War started 23 years later when the Carthaginians decided to attack Italy itself. In 218 BCE, Hannibal, a brilliant Carthaginian general, surprised the Romans by marching his army from Spain across the Alps, a high mountain range, and into Italy. His troops rode elephants and braved snowstorms, landslides, and attacks by local tribes. For 15 years, Hannibal's men fought the Romans in Italy. In 202 BCE, Hannibal needed to return home to defend Carthage against an attack by a Roman army. There he was defeated in the battle that ended the Second Punic War. Carthage was forced to give up Spain to Rome, along with huge sums of money. For about 50 years, there was peace between Rome and Carthage. Then, encouraged by Cato, a senator who demanded the complete destruction of Carthage, the Romans attacked once more. The Third Punic War lasted 3 years. In 146 BCE, the Romans burned Carthage to the ground. They killed many people and sold others into slavery. Rome was now the greatest power in the Mediterranean region, controlling North Africa, much of Spain, Macedonia, and Greece. The Punic Wars expanded Roman power and territory, but Rome's victories came at a price. Countless young men had died in the long wars. Additionally, people living outside Rome suffered huge losses in population and property. Hannibal's army had destroyed thousands of farms, and others had been neglected while farmers went off to fight in Rome's armies. By the time the soldiers returned home, Rome had been forced to import grain from Sicily and other places. Small farms were being replaced by large estates, where the wealthy planted vineyards and raised livestock. Unable to compete with the wealthy landowners, many poor farmers were forced to sell their land. While riches and slaves flowed into Rome from the conquered lands, so did new customs,